to the amazing Dr. Kiara clinic. Picture yourself in this delightful scene. A charming little teddy bear fluttering its paws merrily into the clinic, clearly wearing a big grin and ready to have Paw Patrol. Was a mission to find our next patient and spread joy all around. This cuddly companion will go above and beyond to make every visit an unforgettable experience. With a bright smile and a heart full of genuine care, this lovable cuddle buddy will recommend the perfect medicine tailored just for you. Be prepared for a fun-filled experience that blends love, laughter, and a sprinkle of magic, all in the name of better health. Step inside and experience the wonder of true kindness.